Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how much I saved when I bought my Aprilia through my Axis Bank Magnus credit card. So now we'll see all my transactions here in your screen. Everything I purchased through my credit card, the bike, my helmets, everything. And after this, so these are the total spends. I'm writing it down. Then I'll write the total points that I got using these transactions. So let's calculate the total right now. So if you calculate the total amount spent and the total points that I got, it comes down to 53,058, 5,38,058 for the amount spent, 32,154 points. 12 points for the first 150,000 that you get, and then 23 points for the rest of the amount that you spent. So those are accelerated points that you'll get within 60 days or 45 days. That is what is mentioned. So currently I've already received this 32,154 points. We'll just calculate how much accelerated points we'll get. So if you're spending more, you get more, right? So now we'll calculate the accelerated points. So if I minus this amount by 150,000, so you get 388058. So every 200 points you get 23 points. 200 rupees you get 23 points. So into 1940, so I'll get 44,626 points. So total points would be 44,626 plus the 32,000 I already got. So that means it comes around 76,780. Now I'll transfer all of these points to Accor hotels. So Accor points. So that I transfer is 5:2 ratio. So if I divide it by 5, I get 15356. Now if I multiply it by 2, that comes around 30,712 points, and each point is equal to 2 rupees. So if you multiply it by 2, that becomes 61k, 61.5k. So yeah, this is the total amount you can save if you are buying from your credit card. I did pay 1% extra